up, everybody? In today's video, we got something really cool. We're going to be installing my cross brace from Velocity. Got it powder coated to match the wheels, of course. It is looking pretty fire. But no, anyways, gonna install this thing. Gonna show you guys really quick. This thing stiffened up the chassis so much. Yeah, no, I needed it so bad. With the Targa top on, with it off, it is really nice. It is definitely nice and secure, getting rid of that weird jelly bean flex on this car. So yeah, no, let's get into it. I'll show you guys it and we'll go from there. Video's not too long today. Basically, just got it installed. I have the sprint seat in as well too. I finally got this guy in, and I finally got the wings sprayed, so now we can put it on in the floor. I do need to buff this thing and wet sand it to get some of the runs out of it, but that is another time. I just want to get the holes covered up because washing this car is not fun with those holes. Yeah, no, let's get into this thing. Let's do it, and let's check it out. Yeah, boom. You don't use any of this. This is just like some shade coverage. That's your visor.